Welcome back, Colours fans. Today in this video, we're going to make a big video of my new colour changes that I got on my birthday that you could see in my other video. Now we're going to open them up, and this is my series. I opened it up before and I got these two. So, I'm going to show you how those two look in real life because I have not seen them from the camera. So this is my pair that I got in that series. This one and this one. This is my two ones that I got in my series. The one I wanted to get is the black one, but to be honest, you just get what you get. So let's just put in the cold room. No. I'm putting it in the cold water. I didn't soak off any of that colour. Oh, I just have to mix it, I guess. Let's take it out. I reckon that needs to be. Now we're going to put them in the hot water. Basically, that's what you're meant to do. You're meant to take. Oh, that was like a nice car, bruh. Put it in the hot water. Mix that up. Take the other car. It's completely lost. Will we ever get that car out? How fast can you see that car? Is it on this side? On that side or on that side? It's definitely down there. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that car. It's so slippery, isn't it fun? Now we've got the car out. That took a million years to get out. I'm going to get all the ice out of the spoon so it doesn't come into this water. Let's change spoons. Okay. What is it? Is it something going to work? I mean, it is hot water, but it is a bit messy. Look at all that colouring, fans. Looks Let's put it into the cold water again. Yeah, let's see how it looks like if we put it in the cold. How will it look like? Let's see. I think it's green. I think it's green as well. I think it's blue, of course. It's green. I think it's green. I think it's green. I was correct. No, I just changed my mind. That is amazing. Let's leave that to dry. Let's see if the other car is finished on here. On the list of the colouring. Is it so sticky? It doesn't need to be so sticky. Oh my god. It got blue here and here. We're just going to put in the cold water again and hopefully get rid of that colouring. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It should come out now. Any second, hopefully. Second, I said. Second. Still some colouring. Ooh, that looks like it got blue at the bottom. Let's see how it looks like if we put it in warm. I think it's yellow. I think it's yellow as well. Oh. Fans, what colour did you like on these cars the most? It still has that colouring on there. I have to wipe that off. So I don't think that's going to get off. This one was in the cold, this one was in the hot. What if we swap them around? It's confusing. Isn't it, fans? It's like you're getting confused in your brain.
Yellow's like in the water.
Yellow. This is how it looks if you put it in the hot one. It's still confusing. And this, that's my favourite look of this car.
Me too, that's my favourite.
Is amazing. That
I'm
is an amazing kind of a car. Compare the difference. What car did you like the most? I think this one. It's because, oh wait, it's just 4 times 4. Wow. That is amazing. This is 10:10. 101. This is 4 times 4. They both got numbers. That's a very interesting subject. Well, bye Hot Wheels fans. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel.